Hi, my name is Juan Pablo Hernandez. I'm a student of Electronic and Systems Engineer at Universidad de los Andes in Bogota, Colombia. I'm in fifth semester, and today I'm here because I will talk about what is my passion, and that's a really hard question to me because I took hours to get an answer for that. I used to think that my passion was programming or maybe help people or a work that give me a lot of satisfaction as programming. And I really like programming. I mean, it's something that I'm studying and it's almost a lot of things to me. And I really like to programming. But if I must be honest, that's not my passion. So I have to think about what is my passion. Finally, I think I have an answer for this question. And it's easier than I think. It's something that I used to do every day, but one day I can't do it anymore because of pandemics, COVID 19, and so many things that happened in 2020. But it's not on my hands and it's not my fault. And the things that I really like and my passion is to love, to share, and live. I don't know why it's so easy, but it took me a lot of times to realize that that's my passion. But why? I used to think that my passion was something that I excel in, that I like to do, that I can help others, but my passion is a little more than that. Was really something that makes me passionate and give me satisfaction is to share with the people that I love. The fact of getting up and thinking that I don't know how long I will be here, how many time I have to rest me of life, and that makes me think that while I can live, I have to do what I'm passionate about me and what makes me happy, which basically is love, share, live, and be happy, and be a reason for happiness of the any other people. That's something that really passionate me, and I think it's more more easier than people have to do every day. You just have to love someone, to care about someone, for these people feel great, and it's something that we can't see, but it's really important, at least for me. Money is not everything. I will tell you a history that was when I was kid. When I was little, my dad died. I was 9 years old, and I was never with him. I always was playing with my friends, with my cousins, with my uncles, and I never noticed being with him until the day that he was no more. I blame myself for no being with him because when he died, he had told me that if he could go back in the time, the only thing that he would do would be with me, that he really loves be with me. And today I realize that I'm much too late for that because he's not here, and that I want most in the life is not to regret to not having been with the ones I love. I don't want to die and say like I want to be with him or with my mother or with my friends or with my girlfriend. And basically for me it's everything. I don't know how many time I have of the rest of my life, and I have to spend every day like was the last one. And sorry, it worries to me think that one day I will be more concerned about money than anything else. I would not want to happen. My father, like many others, was always thinking about taking home the best, but he realized too late that this was not all. There was something more important that he could give us. Many people think that money is the most important thing in the life, although it is important, it is not everything. At least for me, I'm not happy to have money and with don't have people to expend it. For me, I really hate have a lunch and do it alone. And sometimes I feel very lonely. So we don't have to think about the money. And for that reason, my passion is to be with the others, share, love, and live.